Okay. Who is ready to perform?
Not yet.
What do you mean not yet? Kiara and Aryo, not yet. Okay. Rasha and Kyle, Rasha and
Wait, just a little.
Rasha and Kyla, are you ready?
I mean, I'm ready. I don't know, Kyla.
Kyla, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Hi. Cool. Go on then.
Okay, okay. Nah. Hi, Kyla. You look stressed out. You good?
Hi, Brian. Yeah, I can't make up my mind whether to join the cheerleading club or the science club. The thing is, I've been made up my mind. The cheerleading club, while my mom doesn't like the idea of me joining it.
Well, actually, I'm quite surprised to know that you want to be part of this extracurricular activity because it's not a very good choice if you have the logical mathematical intelligence like you do.
Logical mathematical? What do you mean?
Well, it means you are a logic smart person. As a logic smart person, you are good at calculating and reasoning. I remember when you were in junior high, you won so many science competition. You were a real science wizard. So, I think you have what it takes to be a researcher or a mathematician. In that case, you should belong to the science club.
Do you think I should join both clubs?
Well, I'm sending major good vibes to your way, but you should but you should like think it over first and have a heart-to-heart talk with your mom as soon as possible and be frank to her. Tell her what it means to be a cheerleader to you. But before you talk to her, you must take a multiple intelligence test to see what your dominant intelligence is. Then tell her.
That's a great idea. That's most encouraging. Thank you.
You're most welcome. Well, even though even though I still think that a science club is the best for you, you just go ahead and just do it.
Sending major vibes your way. Now, that's another way of saying, yeah, see, it doesn't have to be right from the book, but you can use your own personal experience. Thank you, Rasha and Kayla. Well done. The next one, Marcelo and Aurel, are you ready?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay, go on then.
Hi, Aurel. You look stressed out. Are you alright?
Hi Marcelo. Yeah, I'm not really sure whether to join the cheerleading club or the science club. The thing is, I've met I've set my mind on cheerleading club, while my mom doesn't like the idea of me joining it.
Well, actually, I'm quite surprised to know that you want to be a part of this extracurricular activity because it's not a very good choice if you have the logical, mathematical intelligence like you do.
Logical mathematical? What do you mean?
Well, it means you're a logic smart person. As a logic smart person, you are good at calculating and reasoning. I remember when you were in junior high, you won so many science competitions. You were a real science wizard. So I think you have what it takes to be a researcher or a mathematician. In this case, you should belong to the science club.
Do you think that I should join both clubs?
Well, I'm sure you can make it. You better think it over first and have a heart-to-heart talk with your mom as soon as possible and be frank to her. Tell her what it means to be a cheerleader to you. But before you talk to her, the way I see it, you should take a multiple intelligence test to see what your dominant intelligence is. Then tell her.
That's a great idea. That's most encouraging. Thank you.
You're most welcome. Well, even though I still think that a science club is the best for you, you just go ahead and I'm sure that you can make it.
Thank you, Marcelo and Aurel. A bit of advice, Marcelo. There are so many difficult words in your part, I know, and your parts are long. That's why you need to practice over and over again. At the moment, your reading is still sounding like reading, if you know what I mean. So it still
Yes, yes.
sounds like you're reading the text instead of saying it. So probably you can practice again at home. You are at home. You can practice again alone to do it more fluently. Okay, the difficult words especially.
Okay, miss.
Okay, thank you, Marcelo. The last one, Aryo, Kiara. Let's go. We only have 4 minutes.
Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, 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 hello. Kiara, let's go,
Okay,
let's go,
okay.
let's go.
Short enough. Okay.
Check, check.
Hello, Kiara. Wait.
Kiara
Okay.
is not on.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
she is on. Go on then.
Hello, Kiara. What is bothering you? If something happened, you can tell me. May I can help you.
I'm in two minds for college to pick between psychology or science. My parents want me to become a scientist, but I want to become a psychiatrist.
I think you have the capability to become both scientist and psychiatrist because you have both intrapersonal and logical mathematic intelligence. But in my opinion, you should better choose one of them.
Actually, I like psychology better than science. But my parents want me to follow my grandfather's track. I will talk to my parents about it and try to convince them.
Okay, I believe you can make it. Be a successful woman.
Thank you, Mr. Aryo.
You're welcome, Kiara. Very
Miss,
short.
wait, Mr. Aryo. Why
But
suddenly?
yeah, and then who? Just
Well,
yeah.
I thought it was between two friends.
It's
No,
okay lah.
it's okay.
I don't care anymore.
By the way, one thing that I need to underline when you say you should better, okay, uh, it's always better if you just say you'd better instead of you should better. You'd better blah 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 blah. And the other thing is congratulations. You are the only couple who actually modified the whole conversations. Very well. Thank you so much, you two. Well done. Psychiatry, one of the
Yeah.
things. Psychiatry. Okay, so that's another thing that I need to underline. Psychiatry. Okay, that's it for today's session. Do you have any questions? Rasha is already sleepy, even though he doesn't have a class tomorrow. God, I don't know what's wrong with you. School or no school, it's still sleepy time. Okay. Kiara, Marcelo,
Sleeping is
Aurel.
the best.
Kiara,
Yes,
Marcelo,
miss.
Aurel, Kayla, do you have any questions?
No.
No, at
No,
the
miss.
moment.
No,
Okay.
miss.
If you don't have any questions, have a good night's sleep. Thank you so much for joining today's session, everyone. I'll see you on Wednesday. Bye-bye.
Bye, miss.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Bye,
miss.
miss.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you.
Thank you,
Good night.
Miss.